Welcome! If you've ever wanted to quickly find your Instagram posts based on where they were shared, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to filter your shared Instagram posts by location, using the latest features available in the app. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device and head straight to your profile. To do this, just tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look up to the top right corner and tap the menu icon, the one that looks like 3 horizontal lines. From the menu, select Your Activity. This section is your personal dashboard for everything you've done on Instagram, from your likes to your comments, and of course, your posts. Here, you'll see a range of options to explore your activity in detail. Now, under the Content You Shared section, tap on Posts. This is where you'll find a list of all the posts you've shared from your account. But if you want to filter these posts by location, there's a simple way to do it. At the top of the posts list, look for the Includes Location filter. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of locations that you've tagged in your posts. You can select a specific location, and Instagram will instantly show you only the posts that include that location tag. This makes it super easy to organize your memories, plan your content, or just take a trip down memory lane by seeing all the moments you've shared from a particular place. That's all it takes. With just a few taps, you can filter your Instagram posts by location and find exactly what you're looking for in seconds. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips on making the most of your Instagram experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.